Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the Raquel Welch new style, Sincerely Yours. Sincerely Yours is a stacked bob cut with layers that frame the face beautifully. The back is sleek and tailored, very beautiful. I love that the style comes with added volume through permatease at the crown, and then you have the side sweeping eyelash bang that is just so well done. Best of all, the cap features of Sincerely Yours are unique and I love them. The front rim is polyurethane. There's a polyurethane spot at the crown and also along the nape where you can use tape or adhesive, especially if you have little to no hair, which will help secure the wig. Even if you have hair, like I am wearing a stocking wig cap under this, and the polyurethane is helping to hold this wig in place. I'm very impressed and I love that feature. Now this style also has a full monofilament top. Sincerely Yours cap is the polyurethane front, monofilament top, memory cap 2. The monofilament top has individually hand-tied fibers for complete styling flexibility. You can part this wig left, center, or right. The polyurethane front rim and crown accommodates tape or adhesive. Under this fabric mesh is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives you volume and lift at the crown. On either side of this cap, you have adjustable velvet-lined ear tabs. The sleek nape features a polyurethane film so that it is no slip and adhesive can be used if desired. On either side of the nape are hook-like adjusters that adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to. The full monofilament top is 100% hand-tied and gives the look of hair growing right from your scalp. I really like the parting space. If you would like to make the part a little bit wider, you could always pluck some of the fibers along the parting space. There is no lace front because you have that polyurethane front rim, but this is what the hairline looks like. Let's talk about this fantastic color, RL19/23SS Shaded Biscuit. This is one of the Raquel Welch wig's most popular colors, and you can see why. It's a beautiful blonde shade. It is a dark neutral blonde and golden brown base with cool platinum highlights that are heaviest at the top. It has medium brown roots. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous style outside in natural light. You do have styling options with Sincerely Yours. This style looks beautiful, tucked behind the ear. And as I showed you earlier, the monofilament top means you can part this wig left, center, or right to create different looks. Now, because the style is made with the true-to-life heat-friendly fiber, you can add waves, curls, whatever your heart desires. Because you have some permatease here at the crown, you can really get your fingers in here to tease up the fibers and have a lot more volume if that's what you would like. You can just take your fingers, and you can also use wig styling spray. Now this is a lot of volume. I'm actually surprised how much I really love the Sincerely Yours style. I'm someone that usually wants a lace front, so when I saw there wasn't a lace front, felt a little disappointed. But I'm also someone, because my face is very long and narrow, I like bangs. And so this eyelash side swept bang, I've just fallen in love with it. The polyurethane front rim and crown, even with a stocking wig cap on, has made this wig very secure. I don't have to worry about slipping and sliding, which is a wonderful feature. Now this cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. I have the straps on the loosest setting, and this cap fits me snug, so I do not think it's big head friendly. Now if you have any questions about the style or color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now if you wear Sincerely Yours, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Now if you're interested in purchasing this style, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. I've received wigs from Pinkee Promise for a couple of years now, and I'm very pleased, which is why I recommend them. And it's nice that if you have a question about the color or style, you simply email support@PinkeePromise.com to get an answer. Now when you visit the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review on Sincerely Yours. Take care. Bye-bye.